Hello. Welcome back to the realm of tons, your partner for on-site oxygen and nitrogen solutions. I'm Eaton, and today I will help you solve yet another daily challenge of your nitrogen and oxygen needs. Is increasing costs of liquefied gas increasing your production costs? Seeking a reliable, adaptable, and cost-effective solution, customers have often inquired if they can integrate their current liquid nitrogen and liquid oxygen supplies with our on-site generators. And the answer is a resounding yes. Merging the supply of liquid nitrogen and liquid oxygen with our on-site nitrogen and oxygen PSA generator is a strategic solution to maximize the use of both these resources. This amalgamation provides the flexibility and cost efficiency of our on-site generators along with bulk supply. Which means you never run out of gas. Today, we unveil the synergy of these two powerhouses, providing you tons of benefits which help you lower both your carbon footprint and your total cost of ownership. This is the liquid tank with ambient air vaporizer and control manifold, which supplies the liquid nitrogen and liquid oxygen gas for your process. Now, meet our state-of-the-art on-site generator. With precise supply pressure settings and an integrated pressure regulator and check valve, it's engineered for perfection. In a technical context, the integration of liquid supply with the generator supply can be articulated as follows. The supply pressure of the on-site generator is configured to be slightly higher than the supply pressure of the evaporated liquid gas and is therefore acting as the base supply for your process, and the liquid supply will automatically supply all gas above the base demand. Both the liquid and on-site generator also act as a backup to each other. When there is an unavailability of liquid supply, the on-site generator will always ensure stable supply to your production. These technological powerhouses, when combined, not only enhance efficiency but also uphold an unwavering commitment to quality and value. Every component of our generators are engineered for durability to ensure maximum uptime of your production process, providing you tons of benefits. Contact Atlas Copco today, where innovation meets tons of benefit.